Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to talk about blog topic ideas for beginners, and I'm going to tell you how you can start blogging profitably. Starting a blog was the best decision I ever made. It allowed me to work from home, it allowed me to handle my responsibilities at home with no compromise at all, and also make a full-time living with it, a full-time income. Now let me tell you one thing at the very outset. It is not an easy thing to build a blog that makes enough money to call it a full-time income. Now, before we move ahead and talk about blog topic ideas for beginners, there is something that I want to share about my journey as a blogger. Now, I stumbled upon blogging as a work from home option in 2015. I read about it and started my first ever travel blog in 2016. Now, within 6 months of blogging, I quit. It was so overwhelming to understand what is right, what is wrong, what I should do, or what I shouldn't do, etc. I quit within 6 months, and of course, it made me no money at all. Now, fast forward in June 2018, I revamped the blog and decided to share my experience of moving from a good paying 9 to 5 job to becoming a full time freelancer. Now, I talked about freelancing and writing, which resonated with people because it had a lot of personal experience in it. A few months later, I broadened the scope to include other work from home options as well because not everyone wants to write. Now, let me tell you one thing. This wasn't a decision made in hurry or decision made just because of my liking. I researched for months, almost a month, on whether or not I can monetize this niche in a manner which can make me money passively. So, I'm going to share how you can research blog topic ideas for beginners which are profitable, and also share a list of blog topic ideas that are definitely profitable in 2021. Now let's begin with how to research blog topic ideas and how to find out whether or not they are profitable. Now, first thing that I want you to do is to take a pen and a paper and Google type in profitable blog niche ideas for 2021 and start your research there. Now note down everything from there that you're interested in and would love to write about. Now in the third box, you will have to do a bit more work. I want you to analyze and see the overlap between the first and the second box. Is there anything of your interest? Is there a passion? You have your hobby that overlaps with a niche that is known to be profitable. Now remember that this is not as straightforward as it sounds like right now. So for example, you will find parenting as a very profitable niche everywhere. But you can stick to writing about parenting teens or parenting toddlers or any certain age kids, or just write about activities to engage kids of certain age. Now, another example would be lifestyle. Now, lifestyle is known to be a profitable niche, but it is extremely broad. But lifestyle could mean a lot of things, and you can stick to parts of it. So you can write about travel, fashion, outfits, etc. Now, in my case, the broader niche that I came across was personal finance. Now, personal finance is something which can include making money, saving money, budgeting, investments, debts, retirement planning, etc., and so many other things. So, in the third box, you will write the overlapping niches. If you have investment in the first box and personal finance in the second, for example, in the third box, you can write personal finance hyphen investments, parenting hyphen toddlers, something like that. Okay? For you to understand the broader niche and the niche that you're interested in writing about. Now we get to the fourth and the final box. Now I want you to install a Moz bar. Start with the first item on your list. Let's say parenting hyphen toddlers.
So the first niche we are going to talk about is a parenting toddler blog. So I have the Moz bar installed here. Um, let's switch that on. So here. So what we are looking for, just a second. Yes. So we are looking at parenting toddler blogs, and this is how the Moz bar will tell you about a domain authority. Now, domain authority basically tells you how big the website is or how new the website is. So it is going to help you out find blogs that are pretty new, and so you can look at their monetization strategy, whether or not they're working with an ad company, what kind of products they are promoting, what kind of products they're selling, and gauge whether or not it is profitable. Okay, so let's start. So all this, we are looking at something which is below 30, or let's look at how to parent toddlers without yelling, so that we come across exactly what we are looking for. So today's parent is a very big website. Parents is a very big website. So you can see there is Corey at home. There is messy motherhood. There is parenting from the heart blog. There is parentalquestions.com. Let's look at each one of them for a moment. There is parenting toddlers. So while it does look like a blog, I'm not going to consider it because it looks too old fashioned. Also, let's look at Corey at home. So this looks like the perfect blog. So she talks about self-care, homemaking, and working at home. So how to effectively discipline your toddler without yelling. You can see that she's working with Mediavine, which is a great company to work with for advertising. Now let's move. Let's scroll down and see. So what you can do is to click on this pencil and click on no followed. Okay, so I'll tell you why we do this. So most of the affiliate links that I use are supposed to be no follow. So it's an easier way to see whether something whether they're promoting something. Looks like they're not, but here is a disclosure which talks about Amazon associates. So she does promote products from Amazon or from where she would earn commission. So that's a good start. So you can monetize your blog with Amazon affiliates. You can monetize your blog with Mediavine, which seems like a good start. Let's look at messy motherhood. To learn how to stop yelling to be a happier mom, she has a blog post. She works with Elite Cafe Media Family and parenting publisher. Elite Cafe Media Family is also a decent advertising company to work with, though I am a big promoter of AdThrive and Mediavine only. So parenting from the Heart blog is another one. Talks about pregnancy and babies, parenting toddlers, young children, tweens, and beyond education. So let me just. So they are working with Mediavine. So they're an exclusive member of Mediavine family. I can't find any affiliate link here, but let me just. So this post contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying. This is how you need to conduct a search on your final options and see whether you can monetize it, whether there are options to monetize it, and whether there are newer blogs that are doing this. Because if there is a newer blog which is working, you can see advertisements on it. You can see that they're working with AdThrive or they're working with Mediavine. They're definitely making.
Let's do another one. So you know how this gets done in different niches. So we'll do personal finance hyphen saving money. Okay, so now let's do this for the personal finance saving money niche. So let's look at how to save money um, from salary every month. Let's try this out. So we are looking for smaller blogs as of now. So let's see. arts and budget seems like one, and I know the person. Like I've been following the person who owns arts and budgets, and it's an amazing blog. So let's look at it. So it's Latasha's blog, and I've been following her for a while, and there is a lot you can learn from her as well. So she talks about making money, saving money, make money blogging. Now she has all sorts of monetization on her blog. So she sells courses. She, of course, has affiliate links, and she also works with Mediavine. So those three are the best monetization strategies, and that is digital products, that is advertising and affiliate marketing, and she does all of them. So on the outset itself, you know that personal finance is a profitable niche. That save if you write about saving money, it's a profitable niche. So let's look at a blog which is more balanced and which is more about saving money. So let me try to find it out for you. Let's look at how to save money with less salary. Maybe we'll get something here. So there is something called Families for Financial Freedom. We are going to look at that. Going to look at Get Money Rich. And we are going to look at Frugal Mom Guide. So Frugal Mom Guides, most of the things that she writes about is about frugal living, saving money, and everyday life. So you can see that her blog is monetized with Mediavine. You can see that she has a disclosure for affiliate links. That means that she does affiliate marketing as well and she earns from it. So let's just scroll down a little bit and see if I can find an affiliate link. So Rakuten is an affiliate link. Again, I could find only one link anyway. Let's go on her homepage and see if, okay, so she has a shop too. That means she's selling products of her own as well. And she has monetized through selling, you can see there are printables and binders and meal planners that she's selling. So great. So you know that her blog is making money. Similarly, if you're looking at Families for Financial Freedom, they are talking a lot about spending less, Christmas, and starting a blog, saving, investments, and family finance. Again, let's see what. So they're working with Mediavine. You can see it here. They are, of course, doing affiliate marketing, and I don't think she has a shop, but it's a good start anyway, because you're not going to be selling digital product at the outset itself. You will be doing a lot of content writing in the beginning, and the first two things that you can do is to get monetized with affiliate marketing and then with ads. So so that's how you do your research and figure out whether or not a particular niche that you want to write about is profitable. You find blogs that are exactly about what you want to write. You look at their blog, you look for income reports, you look for what advertising companies they're working with, what kind of products they're promoting, what kind of products they're selling, and you will know whether or not it is profitable. A few things you will need to consider while doing this research is basically to look at which ad company these blogs are working with. Do they have affiliate links and what kind of products they are promoting? Do they even have products that they are promoting? Do they have sponsored posts? Are they selling products of their own? Do they have any ebook courses, etc.? Now, once you have done all this research, you will have a few options in the box in box 4 of your sheet. Now, select the one that you find the most interesting and the one which makes you really, really happy and you can write about for days to come, because you will be writing about it for a very, very long time. So besides profitability, what you need to see is your interest as well. Now, I will share a few blog topic ideas for 2021, which I know are definitely profitable. There are a few blog topic ideas for beginners which are profitable right now, and they are: first, anything that is related to technology, and that's called technology related blogging. Technology is dynamic with developments happening every single day. Now, people are always looking to get updates on launches and changes in technology. So, if you are interested in writing about, say, WordPress, mobile apps, operating systems, laptops, mobile games, etc., you can go ahead with it. It is definitely profitable. Second one is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is trending and more businesses are adopting it and making a shift towards it. Now, there are so many advancements happening in this field every day that you have so much to write about. So, if you know anything about copywriting, content marketing, SEO, influencer marketing, etc., this is a very profitable blog topic idea for 2021. Now, the third one is personal finance, which is my personal favorite. There is a lot to write in personal finance, like I already mentioned. You can write about saving money, debt, investments, stock market, retirement planning, and so much more. E- Each one I said can be a blog topic idea in itself. So decide what you're good at and what you would love to write and go ahead with that. Now, the fourth one is motherhood and children. This is also an extremely broad blog topic idea. Under it, you can talk about parenting kids of specific age, homeschooling, activities, pregnancy, breastfeeding, etc. Now, besides that, there are several other topic ideas, blog topic ideas for beginners like video games, beer, wine, car, bikes, productivity, self-improvement, tiny homes, home automation, security systems, hiking, RVing, marriage, dating, cryptocurrency, cooking, baking, couponing, social media, education, career, fitness, diet plans, yoga, crafts, DIYs, and I can go on and on because I've researched on it so much. So this is it for today, guys. These are all the blog topic ideas for beginners in 2021 and how to go ahead finding a niche that you love. Hope this helps you out, and if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. I respond to all the comments that I get. You can also see a video on the screen where I talk about how I make money online, which can really help you out with next steps in understanding monetization strategy for a blog. So go ahead, watch that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Click on the red icon below, and I'll see you next week. Ta-da! Bye-bye.